1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Change it now. Morning, Michael.
So it's more like lunchtime or afternoon. Good wang.
Good wang, number wang.
That'll work, that'll catch your fish there. I wouldn't move it.
He hasn't. Only a tiny one, that is.
Yeah! So, Trev's competition leader. To Trev. The annual carp fishing match. Let me get long arms, Trev. Super long arms. That's better. Yeah, that looks more respectable. Brilliant, guys. Right.
Get half hour later, that wasn't the one, that wasn't the one.
Language, guys. I've got to edit this at some stage. Better fish, Trev?
There. You landing there? Yeah. I'm going home. Yeah. That's the fucking point, none of these count, so. What do you do there?
Well done, Trev. Can we have a go?
Yeah.
You sure? Well, that's possibly 2 fish in 5 minutes. Good start to the trophy match.
Did you get that on camera? Mike's netting skills.
He's not silly, it's competition. He wants to knock it off for you.
This thing's putting up a bit of a tussle.
Well done, Trev. Well done, Trev. Second fish within 5 minutes. Lovely looking dark thing.
Go on, girl. There you go.
Annual carp fishing with friends. We're at Norton Lakes here in Suffolk. We've hired the lake out for ourselves. We've got the motley crew of Mike VW. Mike, give us a wave, please. Thanks, Mike. Oh, just hit the camera. Tony, give us a wave. We've got Trevor, Monster T, and myself in attendance. We do this twice a year, once in April. We're now in October, and we do it for a bit of fun, good social. Leave the mobiles in the car, and let's see what happens. You've already seen Trevor's winkled a couple out illegally, which don't count already. Good angling, mate. We're now about to have the draw.
You got the longest.
Right, let's see, let's see.
I've got the shortest. No, I haven't. Oh. Tony got the longest.
Tony's first.
You got the shortest, Mike.
Tony, where do you want to go? Pick a swim, mate.
I'm going to fish. I'm going to give somebody else the opportunity. Yeah, fish that swim.
So I'm going to fish that swim.
So you're fishing over there.
I'll have this one.
Trevor's going straight down to there. Mikey. Then where do I go? That one.
weather forecast? Do we know for tomorrow? A bit like today.
Yeah.
You get up in the morning and just get some biscuits out. 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. You'll walk.
Right, the trophy match, simple rigs, dynamite monster tiger nut wafters on there, the cork bore wafters, simple bit of fluorocarbon, simple drop off inline lead with a little bit of lead core, simple flicks. I'm not putting a marker out, I'm not leading around, I'm not sonaring, I'm not doing anything, keeping it quiet. First one's going to be flicked in just underneath the willow. And if you can just zoom into the short. Right, the rods are out, the traps are set. Let's see what happens. We have the tiger nut with the complex T, a bit of hempen snails, can't beat the swim stem. Playing about with a few of their products and a few different rigs. Right, dropping it off to the hole in the weed. A nice monster tiger nut, long rig, hole in the weed, plopped in on the clear bit. So Mike, we're here with Mike, and it's all looking very serious, Mike. Let's see what Tony's up to. Hello Tony, so you've picked a nice little swim here.
Just the one rod out at the moment, mate.
Where have you put it?
Just out to the left hand side. It's about 20 yards out.
Right.
Nice hard patch. All on the tiger.
The monster tiger nut.
About 23 bees around all of them.
Just really like baiting.
Glugged.
Nice. Give you the edge.
So give me the edge over the boys, hopefully. No, right hand. Go ahead, lays that down the water.
Right in there, look at this one.
Well played. Right, Tony's off the mark with the first fish of the competition. Not the biggest, but a pretty little wildy common. Well done, Tony.
Cheers, mate.
Happy
Start to the
days.
match.
And she's away. Well done, mate.
That puts us 2 up, Trev.
No, you're right.
Puts us 2 up.
2 up. That was a single. Is that the one over by now? Yeah. The one over by the pads. Ooh. And you're going to get in there
and scoop it up.
Scoop it up for me.
Oh, I think you and Tony might be level. Well done, Trev. Well, I thought so. They're mint little fish.
Are you really worried about that? No, I'm not really worried about that. It's just easier, you're banking it.
Well done, Trev.
Where's that?
So we're going to weigh this for the record.
No.
No.
Hey, good. It's a little bit smaller than one I had.
Oh, this is the trouble we're going to have.
This is a bit more fatter than the one I had.
Turn the light down.
It's a good fire.
Sorry about the fucking light.
Like a toe.
So what's been happening with Tony? The morning after the night before.
Morning. Mr. Frosty.
And he's just had 2 in very quick succession. There's one. But that one, I think, will be the game changer.
But you gotta keep giving it that. Oh, you won't stop talking. Why don't you give it a rest? You got the rabbit and Sainsbury.
Head to me a bit, Tony.
Double take this morning.
Nice.
Off the tiger nut.
Nice.
There we go.
Sweet, mate.
Tesco time strikes again.
Right, let's flicker back. Let's
It's a bit coffee,
£2 off of that.
Fuck,
So it's 23, 2.
2 yesterday.
2, 1 in the night.
Very sexy.
What, me or the fish?
Both.
I like that.
It's a stunner.
Oh, look at that, it's lovely. Big apple slices on there.
Apple slice.
That's what they say. Always but.
Smile, girl. Smile.
Nice, Tony. We could get her back.
Cheers. My dears.
Straight back to when she came, look. Straight down there, look, down the corner.
Mike, that's off, I think. Look at that, it keeps bouncing up. You're in. You in?
Yeah.
Tiniest fish in the world. Oh man, you're in. A live take for the camera.
At least I'm not blanking.
Well, you're not a blanker, Mike.
No.
But we won't bother. Let's get her back.
That's the second blanking. Nope.
Well done, Mike.
That hadn't been out very long, had it?
No. He recast it, rebaited it. It's in. Yeah. Head of the fish to me just slightly. Brilliant. Lovely one with the lake in the background. Right, we'll get her home.
Yep. One roll, person. Two fish.
Lovely curve in the rod. Here she comes. That's a better fish.
It's tone, isn't it? It's all tone catches. Yeah. Throw that bubble.
You're probably going back there down the other end, that was 26 there.
Nice.
We've got them there.
Yeah, 18, 4.
Something like that.
Nice.
Photo bombing.
Ready? Get that in there. There we go.
It's a nice dark fish, isn't it? Well done, mate. Lovely fish.
Well done. Team effort. Nice, Tony.
Very nice. Almost look like a carp angler, Tony.
I do try.
You do look like a carp angler.
Those glasses, isn't it?
Do you nick them off the missus? Head of the fish to me slightly.
To you.
Yeah, looking fat. Nice, mate.
Charles.
Spin around.
Looking good, Tony.
Bible for them, isn't it?
She's away. Some pretty fish. You're unstoppable, Tony. Nice toad. Very nice.
Cheers, boys. I've got to pull my middle rod in now then. Huh?
We'll edit that.
Good fun.
Nice. Well done, Trev.
Thanks, boys.
Well played.
Got back yet?
Nice one, Mike. That's now two. Very quick succession. Tilt the head of the fish to me. Let's finish with a spot on photo for you.
Flip in a second.
Nice. So how big's that, Trev?
19. That.
Caught on a
My
bait, a boilie.
boilie.
Brilliant. That's just
One of your
classic.
boilies. There we go. Let's put back.
Well done.
It's a ghosty.
He's a wibble wibble. Get that one in the video.
Right, we'll do that again, shall we?
Get that in the video.
Back attack.
Nice. Yeah, let's get that back.
Yeah, it's not the white one, is it?
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. So what did you have last night, Trev?
I didn't hear it this morning.
This
About 6
morning.
o'clock, wasn't it?
£17 golden comms, like gold, you know.
Right,
all
what did
round.
Mike have last night?
Me? I
Yeah.
had about a 5-ounce carp as normal.
Really?
So I just left it in 'cause I couldn't be asked. So I ain't going out again to get another one. So I was like that.
And Tony, this is your first one?
Yep. And my back's killing me.
It's not that heavy, Tony.
No, but it's
There you
just
go.
my back. I've just got bad back, mate.
quick lift up for the camera if that's okay, Tony.
Easy.
Nice. Let's just work on the frame of that. Zoom in. Nice, mate. You're on a flyer. You're certainly in the going swim.
Tiger Nut is doing its stuff, mate.
Well played. Well played. Right, that brings us to the end of this vlog, the trophy vlog. Like-minded friends, good social, few beers, few fish, great food, great camaraderie. You've had how many, Mike?
5 fish.
5 fish. Trev?
Don't know, lost count.
He's had a few. I've had a couple, but this man wins it with a 23 pounder. It's always the biggest fish which wins. So until next time, we'll wish you luck out there. You win the hat, Tony, and the trophy.
Nice.
Until next time, be lucky out there. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you soon.